can't believe what you did. I'll kill you.
Get off me!
I'll kill you.
Hey! Hey, wake up!
Welcome to Crime Center News. We recently received reports about a stabbing that took place right here last night. The victim, Kim, was a young girl who was friends with everyone. Many of her peers have described her as someone who was very caring to others. May she rest in peace.
Today, I've been going through an old box with Kim and I's memories together throughout the years. It still doesn't feel real that she's gone. What's this?
Dear Diary, lately this one kid has been getting on my nerves. Everything he does makes me want to punch him. Today I finally broke and did it. He was left bruised and beaten. It looked like he couldn't get up. I don't feel bad though. He deserved it all.
Kim is a good person. This isn't real. This never happened.
Following the death of young Kim, the community has put together a video to show how kind and caring this young lady was. We will always remember you.
She ruined my life and now I'm supposed to feel bad? Is this a joke? I think what they meant to say was, please stop pouring your heart out over a bully. But wow, she's really dead, huh? Whatever, I have better things to do. Yeah. Maybe I'll stop by your grave, see what the world's mourning for. So,
Are you two perhaps friends of Kim?
Yes.
you could say that.
I wonder why anybody would kill her. She seemed nice.